Good morning, you guys. It is still frosty and snowy out, but Hudson's awake, so let's go get him. It is Saturday, and I don't know that we're gonna do much today. We actually are getting both Wyoming games, basketball and football, on TV, so I know Sky really wants to watch those, and it's just cold. Who wants to be outside when it's so cold? Hi, baby boy. How are you feeling? Scurrying at somebody. Hi. Oh, are you showing them? Good morning, you guys. Can you say good morning? All right, let me grab you. Still waking up, you guys. Sky just reminded me that there is this model train display that we are going to go to this morning. So in a second, as soon as I get just a wee bit more energy and more awake, I am going to go get ready, and I have to think of something for breakfast as well. We all slept in until about 8:30. Well, it's 8:30 now, so about 8:15. So yeah, a little behind this morning, but that's okay. It's just a Saturday. Yeah, we're gonna get ready and go see some model trains. I think Hudson's gonna love it. I'm super excited.
Hudson, what are we going to do today? Going to look at trains. Can you say train? Show them. Say, I have a train. What does the train say? Choo choo. Whoa. That is so cool. Choo choo.
I am trying to make waffles this morning, you guys, and I was out of Bisquick, which is normally how I make them. But so I had to use like the just add water mix because we had some of that, and they are like incredibly moist. It's hard to get them out. That was me trying to get Sky's out, and I like crumbled it to pieces. It's so weird. I just don't get it. So weird. It's making weird noises. Did you hear that? It is. It's weird. Are they yummy?
Yep.
Do you like them? Where's your milk? Let's get you your milk. Are they really? They don't taste weird?
No, it tastes good.
Oh, well that's good. Nope, not ready yet. Watch this. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, we're done pecking. Alright, let's see if I can do this, you guys. You'll see what I mean when I say that they're just... Oh, this one actually cooked a little better. Heh. Oh, no. I can't get it out. I wish I could just flop it out. That was a fail. This is so weird. I've never had waffles cook like this. Yuck! That's really bloody hot. He looks so handsome. His cheeks are a little cold burnt, I think, you guys, because they're a little spotted and red, but that's to be expected living in the cold wind and snow, huh? He thought it was hilarious when I put real socks on him. He was laughing and laughing. Because he started just always taking them off, so I kind of just stopped putting socks on him. But you guys, we are going to this train show. I should probably take my hat off. You got the keys? Okay. We are going to this model train show in this building. It is an old school, and they actually turned it into a gym, part of it, but we aren't really sure where we're going, so we'll see. But yeah, there's the gym dude for the gym. Hi, Hudson. Can you say hi? I don't know how you're not freezing. It's 17 degrees. Apparently we're on the wrong side of the building, you guys, and my head, I should have left my hat on. My head is freezing. And I'm afraid I'm gonna slip and fall. It's like crazy. Yeah.
You're having so much fun.
Oh, your poor cheeks, bub.
How? Nope.
Let's go into the main gym and ask. I'm sure they have to know. I don't understand. We're so lost. We are already done, you guys. It was so crowded in there. I did not want to pull out my phone. I didn't know if we could record in there anyways, or my camera. But, so. Oh, I'll give you more candy in a second, bub. But it was so extremely crowded. But we gotta load up. Anyways, what I was saying, it was really cool. It was just really, like, it was an extremely small room for as many people that were in there, but it was really cool because they made it, like, they showed the train that goes through Acme, like, that layout, and they had them going from, like, Colorado to Wyoming. It was really cool layout, but it was just really hard with that many people all in one spot. So anyways, we are gonna go home. I think I have a lot of editing I want to get done today, and so does Sky. I think we're really trying just to get caught up, get everything done, and then we're gonna watch some Wyoming football and basketball and just hang out. We are almost home, and we saw an arts and craft bazaar, so we're gonna go to it because it's Saturday morning. Why not do some fun stuff before we're cooped up inside all day, right? You see what he's doing with his tongue? You are so silly. It was really cool in there, you guys, except for the back. There was so much food, it kind of made me smell like throw up, and it was kind of making my tummy queasy. But aside from that, the front part was really cool. What was I gonna say? It was extremely crowded in there though, too. They had such a good turnout at that. It's crazy, but it's really cool. Just, it was hard to really look and I would say buy anything with that many people so close together again, but it was really cool. We had fun. So you guys, I was noticing because at the fairgrounds it was saying it was sponsored by M&M, and then our ice rink, they just made the M&M Center as well, and it has like a huge M&M on the side. It's really cool. We really need to go really freaking soon. We just can't take Hudson, so it's really hard. But anyway, so Sky was telling me that they landscaped when he was working as a landscaper for the people, and that one of the owners, you think?
Yeah.
Has a house here. I had no idea, or a guest house, or probably a vacation house, but has a vacation house here, and yeah, I had no idea that they had a vacation house here. That's crazy, but that makes sense now why everything's got M&M on it. Sky is setting up our train track, you guys. Oh, those little metal pieces.
Yeah.
And I'm making lunch for this Rugrat so he can take a nap. I gave him his lunch down there since he's setting up a train right there. Is it yummy? Did you take a bite? And he keeps trying to let the dog eat it. Is Rebel sleeping in his home? Did Hudson take a bite? Oh, Rebel's gonna take a bite? It was working, you guys. These tracks are so finical. It's hard to get them to align right and everything, but Sky's got it. Going backwards! Oh. And it crashed.
Okay.
It works now, you guys.
It's so cool.
It is way cool. I'm excited to build a big one day. So which one smokes?
this one.
That one's pretty. Look at this one, you guys. We have just this random collection of trains, you know. We garage saled and collected them last year. Or the year before, actually. But that one's really pretty. I like that one, babe. It looks like Christmas.
I don't know if it's gonna... I think our thing's too sharp for that.
Oh. Look, do you guys see the smoke or the steam coming out? I don't know if the lighting's gonna show it. There's steam. That one's cute. That's my favorite. And it's got a little light. I like the mini. It's cute. Yeah, it fits, right?
It feels like it's gonna work.
I think so. Look at the mini one you got.
Way harder.
Can you imagine connecting that one those people had with like 20 parts on it?
Oh man.
Frustration coming. They're cute. You see the train Dada made?
Are you ready? Oh my goodness.
Do you like it?
Chugga chugga choo choo.
Oh no. Say chugga chugga. Chugga choo. Good job.
Choo choo. Oh.
I think he likes it, you guys.
Is it cool?
See all the houses, and this guy set up a little village. It's going so fast. He is loving playing with these trains, you guys. Those two don't work, so I'm letting him play with them. He's having so much fun. Are they going choo-choo? Good job, bud. Nature has become his favorite place to sit, you guys. He's so excited. Now if only he... I'm leaving to get pizza, you guys, and Hudson, he grabs his coat and everything. He's trying to put it on because he wants to go. You guys stay here with Dada. Okay, I love you. Go. See if Dada will give you a piece of chocolate.
Oh.
Go ask Dada for chocolate.
You want a treat?
Do you want trick or treat? All right, our pizza's right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of dark out. And it's super icy on the drive over here. I was kind of worried about this one turn. I was like, eek. Here's what we got, you guys. We already kind of started eating because we were starving. But wings, cheese pizza, sausage pizza, and breadsticks. And his is in the freezer cooling, and he's playing with a wrapper because he screamed and cried. There's nothing in there anymore. Would you like some pizza instead? Can I trade you that for pizza? Thank you. All right, let's get him some pizza. I wish I knew where my sisters were.
Oh, they're in that other room.
Are they?
Yep.
Pizza! Do you want me to cut it smaller, or can you take bites like that? Oh, you want a fork. He likes eating with forks, you guys.
Hey, can you say cheese? Cheese. I'm eating something. Oh, thank you. Cheese. Thank you. Cheese. Can you say cock-a-doodle-doo? Can you say choo-choo? Can you say chickadee? Can you say cool dude? Can you say... What else can you say? Cheese! Can you say... Pizza! Can you say... Papa? Can you say... Yeah, that's what I was saying. Oh. Here you go. You're sitting on all of them.
Throw him a dada. Oh my goodness.
You're funny, that's
Know who he learned that from, you guys?
Stomp yourself.
I love how he pauses, like. That was a good throw.
Hey. Hey, who's picking on us?
Good night, I love you.
Mannequin challenge to the extreme. She's not gonna move. Oh.
I am still editing. He's putting Hudson to bed. I'm so close, you guys, like so close, but I still need to work a little today too, so. But I'm gonna get them both done, work and vlogs caught up today. Do I have some dirty lens? All right, that's a little better. I still need to work and edit, and yeah, but I'm gonna get them both done tonight, which is good because it's only 7, and I'm gonna make some tea, and then tomorrow will be the start of something else for our channel, and I'm excited about it. I've been brewing it up in here for a while. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna say goodnight now. I hope that you had a wonderful, beautiful, extraordinary day, and we will see you tomorrow. Good night, you guys.